Ah, shit. I guess we know who's dying first, eh?
Oh, yep, that's tough. Sorry, Mr. Harrison.
It's written in the rules. We can't help it. Julie's dying first. Start slashing.
Yeah. There is a sprint.
Oh, I found Jug, so don't worry about that.
Oh, nice.
Ow, what the fuck?
All for you, Grandpa. Who's awakened, Grandpa?
Who the fuck disturbed my boy's slumber? Oh, okay, a fucking door, thank God. Holy shit, I thought I was lost. Oh.
Grandpa.
Whoa. Whoa. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's what I thought! I knew I fucking heard you! Come here, bitch! Come here, motherfucker! Come This bitch running! This bitch running! I can't hit her. God damn it. I'm out of stamina. Oh, I'm slashing the hell out of her! Oh, I'm fucking...
Oh my gosh, I'm lagging so bad.
I just slit a girl's throat. Hey, you touching Grandpa, bitch?
Oh my god, I can't play with these frames. What the fuck?
This bitch was touching Grandpa for sure. Where you running, ho?
I can't change my...
Where you fucking running? Alright, I killed another person. Oh, there's two more people on me. Oh shit, he just tackled me. Holy hell. Nah, bitch, you cutting nah, son. Where are you running? No, you wanted to tackle me, man. You wanted to tackle me. Get the fuck down. Alright, I killed a third one. I'm out here fucking murdering. Oh shit, it's Bubba. I am upside down.
Damn, I am too.
Oh shit, fuck it, I'm just gonna spam it, I don't know.
You're doing great. I got a tool.
Okay, I got an unlock tool.
Leatherface is just right around.
Oh god, you scared the shit out of me. Who is this? Yeah, Leatherface is right on me. I'm No. I think I don't what He's here! What the fuck? Why are there three of us here?
Why does my vision look like this?
Yeah, I don't know why that's happening. I think it's when they're close. I'm gonna keep unlocking this. Oh shit! No! Fuck you!
Can we find you?
Yeah.
Oh, it is when they're close. You're right.
Okay, I got out. I unlocked the door. So I woke up Grandpa unlocking that door.
Okay.
Climb the ladder.
That door's unlocked now.
Holy shit, dude, that was terrible. Yeah, I unlocked it and I climbed the ladder. Dude, Bubba is scary. That boy was right behind me. I juked the shit out of him. Did you escape from the same spot I escaped from?
Yep. Oh, they're coming.
Yep, they're on me. Fucking bitch, sit down.
She just passed. Bro, she just passed.
What the fuck did you guys just...
Hey,
We're
what's
all
up,
in the bushes! What the fuck?
Guys. Oh.
You sprint with A?
Okay, yeah, that's different. I was sprinting with another.
So you hold LB and you spam A and it like makes you go way faster.
This looks promising.
Oh, it's the cook. The cook just opened the exit gate?
Yeah, he did.
He's standing on it though. Do you see him? Are you with me right here?
I do.
Oh, that bitch is running for Them bitch is running for it. Let's go, let's do it. Go with it, run for it. Hey dumb bitch. Sit down. I got out, run.
I'm out!
Let's go.